Hi! So today I thought I would do a little follow me around vlog. I have been thinking about doing this for the past few days. So today I'm going grocery shopping. It's nothing major, I just need a few things because my two brothers and my dad is coming over for dinner tonight, so I need the dinner for tonight. Oh, I'm so scared about it because I cannot cook for shit. And I have to cook, but I guess I'll give it a whirl. And I also need just a few things for myself. I need some pasta, I need some bread, I need some soda, I think. So I think I'm going to go to at least a couple different grocery stores. So I have my, what do you call it? My shopping list. Is that it? I have my shopping list here on my phone. Just a few things, but enough for me to feel like I can do a vlog. By the way, this camera, I'm using my regular Canon, what it say? 70D. And it's so fucking heavy, like my arms get so fucking tired. But anyways, yeah, this is my kitchen. I might just show you. So here it is, you know, just normal kitchen stuff. The funny thing is over here at my refrigerator. And by the way, that is a picture of me at a strip club. That's a very long story, but anyways, nothing in the freezer. And this is what my refrigerator looks like right now. So as you can see, it's way overdue that I get some food because it's literally empty. And yeah, by the way, I'm not wearing any makeup. Most days I'm not wearing makeup, just on an everyday basis. I don't put on any makeup. It's only if I'm going out to something somewhat special. So yeah, this is just natural bare face for the day. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. I think we should just get going. That was a very weak snap. Yeah, that's better. I'm going to film on my iPhone when I'm out because I do not want to bring this humongous fucking camera out. One, because I do not want to break it, and two, because I do not want to look like a maniac walking around like this, talking to myself to this big fat camera. So yeah, I'm going to use my good old iPhone 5. I know I'm so fucking retro. It works and I don't want to spend the money on a new one, so there you have it. So anyways, let me stop talking and let's get going. And by the way, the weather is pretty shitty today. It's not raining right now, but it probably will when I go outside with my luck. So I might have to grab my umbrella because, oh girl.
K to the E to the K, nah, KK. Boss, if you see every time I want to do, tell me in the time when you gotta go. Yeah. She wants to wind her to my gypsy girl, to something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be money on my place, she looking on my eye order. He wants to wind her. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wander. She on me heaven. Yeah, now so me say. She wants to wander, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for Badman, better than Badman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on him now, swimming up the rim. They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, it's the last time you wanna see a bad guy do the rap game like me.
So I'm back from grocery shopping. And if I look like a drowned mouse, it's because it of course started raining as soon as I stepped out the door. So, But anyways, I thought I would show you guys what I got. So let's get to it. Okay, so let me show you what I got. The last thing I got is actually this beef. I bought this in a different store, but I didn't show you because it was literally just a quick little stop before I headed home. But yeah, I got some beef for the burritos and tacos for tonight. So I got the taco shells. I got the wraps. I got the kidney beans. I got some guacamole. I don't know how this one tastes. I have not tried this one before, but it was the cheapest. And yeah, I just hope it's decent. And lastly, for tonight's dinner, I got this shredded cheese to go on top and in the burritos. And then for dessert, I just got this cake. Yeah, I was kind of low on money for dessert, so I just bought the cheapest cake they had, but it looks okay. Like, it doesn't look super like filled up with whipped cream. I hate that stuff. Other than that, I just got some pasta just for myself for dinner here the next few days. I got some of this, which goes on top of my bread. If you warm this up in the microwave, it tastes so fucking good. And finally, I got my bread, which this one was super inexpensive because it expires today. But I'm going to eat half of it today for lunch, and then I'm going to eat the other half tomorrow for lunch. And it should be fine. I'm going to store it in the fridge, so there should be no troubles with that. You just gotta check your bread and make sure, you know, that it's fresh and all of that. You don't want to eat some moldy ass bread, of course. And yeah, that is all I got in my bag. I forgot to bring a plastic bag, so I had to carry all of my things in this bag, and it was so fucking heavy. Like, that was a bad idea. Okay, so I'm going to start out by filling up my cabinet where I have all the food that do not go in the fridge.
When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti.
Okay, so let's go ahead and put some stuff in the fridge, because there needs to be at least a little something in this fridge, because right now it's looking ridiculous.
My Bugatti.
And I mean, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to be back later when I'm going to cook, so you guys can see the disaster. So wish me luck, please, because I suck. Okay, so let me just turn that down. Okay, so I'm back and we are going to do some cooking now. I was just, you know, taking a nap, so I look a little bit, so don't mind me. Do you guys like this song? This is like the bomb to me. So anyways, let's get to it.
To my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants to wind her. He be money on my place. She looking at my eye order. He wants to wind her. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wind her. She on the air. That's what me say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it on, girl, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky, panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on.
To my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants to wind her. He be money on my place. She looking at my eye order. He wants to wind her. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wind her. She on me A1. Now so me say. She wants to wind her. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be money on my place. She looking at my eye order.
She wants to wonder.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wonder.
She had me A1. That's what me say. She wants to wonder. Badman. Na na na.
Kiki.
Youngbodzy.
Buds, baby.
I see big deals.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, Nørgaard. Ha, ha. Oh, na na. Bum, 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 oi. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum, 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 oi. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know.
Oh my god, I really look like a hot fucking mess. This damn rain just fucked up my hair. Anyways, this was actually a lot quicker to do than I thought it was going to be. So it's only 6:15 and my family won't be here until 7. So yeah, I guess we should get going with the, all the plates and what do you call it? Like putting the table together stuff.
It's okay. Nah, nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Nah, nah. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Baka chuku baka gini, oh so for me pay oh kweni chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a Badman. See the way she the roll for a Badman. She be taking it slow for a Badman. When she dropping the low for a Badman. Baby carry the go for a Badman. See the way she the roll for a Badman. She be taking it slow for a Badman. When she dropping the low for a Badman. Nah 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 nah. You ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today.
Okay, so the food is all ready. I'm going to cut off the vlog now because my family should be here any minute now. So yeah, let me just show you guys the finished result first. I'm like saying this like it's some huge achievement. It's literally the most basic ass fucking food ever. But anyways, I'm proud of it. I did not burn anything. I did not fuck anything up, at least not yet. I mean, it might taste like hell, so that's that. So we have the burritos, we have some tacos, that is the stuffing for the tacos, the cheese, the guacamole, water and juice, and then of course the cake for dessert. And I'm sorry I'm looking a little bit oily. My skin is so oily, it gets so oily throughout the day. But anyways, that is it for today's video. So if you enjoyed this follow me around vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This camera is so fucking heavy. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, so take care and bye bye.